Suspected scammer farmer killed in St. Elizabeth, two others injured. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One man is dead and two others were injured after they were attacked by a gunman at a party in Newmarket, St. Elizabeth early Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old farmer Devereux Durant of Braes River in the parish. Commanding officer in charge of St. Elizabeth Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Daly, says that the incident occurred around 1:40 a.m. It's reported that Mr. Durant was sitting inside his BMW motor car with a male passenger when a lone gunman approached the driver's side of the vehicle and pulled a firearm and shot Mr. Durant in the face and the upper part of the body. The other occupants in the motor car was shot in the right leg and a bystander shot in the right side. The police were summoned and they were taken to the hospital where Mr. Durant succumbed to his injuries. The police believe that scamming is behind Sunday morning killing of a man and the wounding of two others at a party in Cottage, Newmarket, St. Elizabeth. The police have identified the dead man as Devereux Durant, a 28-year-old farmer from Braes River in the parish. The other injured persons are said to be age 20 and age 28. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.